Good morning, everybody. Crypto Whiskey here with your daily watch list. And yes, we survived the tornadoes last night. Yesterday was a horribly dangerous day. Terrible, terrible storms rolling through the south. So let's hop right to it, guys. Yesterday's volatility was amazing. During the Fed speech, we had crazy swings the last 2 days. We've had 900 points up to 700 points down. Then yesterday we were swinging 200 points every 30 minutes. It was insane volatility, but we got to see what we needed. Another 50 basis points up. Market still went crazy about that, and the fact that it was forward guidance of continued rate hikes for a sustained period of time. So I don't think we've found a bottom yet. So today, what we're going to be looking at, we want to watch the SPY, and right now pre-market it's setting at 394. What I'm looking for is if it breaks 393, then more than likely this next level of support of 392 is probably not going to hold. It's probably not. If there's an area it could bounce, it would be 392.32. But I'm saying this last candle low would be a lower low on the time frame. So if it breaks 393, I would be buying puts, looking for 387 as our next target down. But on the other side of that, if we get some kind of crazy rally coming in today and we end up breaking 399, I would look to see us test the highs of 405, maybe go back up and test the 409 area. So I would go calls above 399, puts below 393 if you're trying to play some short games the rest of this week. That's what we're looking at. SPY. It's still just so much bearishness going on. I find it hard to believe that we're going to break that trend line anytime soon. Our next eyes on here is Boeing. Boeing's been in the news, and it hasn't done a whole lot for it. But what I'm looking for on Boeing is right now it's pre-market 185.70. Is I would think if we break below 185, say 185 even, if we break below that, we're going straight down to 180, and you have to reassess then. So I'd buy puts and a break of 185, I'd go short on it. And then if we have a break of, I'd probably I'd probably want to go right around 189.30, 189.50. If we break above that, yeah, a break above 189.50, and then we see 91 and beyond. I'm not sure that there's going to be, yeah, after 91, it's a lot of chop. So you probably would get some rejection around 193 ish. So that's where I'm looking for a break of 189. Let's look for 193 and a break below 184 or 185 ish. I'd be looking for 180. So calls above calls above that 189 and puts below 183, and you'll catch that 180. So I'd be looking at those on the shorter time frames. But as far as the longer time frame for some of you that are investing and not day trading, not scalp trading, I would be looking at hard of trying to get into some of these positions on some of these larger monsters that always do well. I think Walmarts and Targets and Home Depots and all that stuff, I think they're making adjustments to correct their balance sheet. We're having layoffs and things like that. So I'm not sure they're going to have too many more bad earnings coming. I think they're going to slow growth, absolutely. But I think they're at that point that if you buy and it goes down another 10%, you're fine, buy some more. But they've kind of bled out as far as they're going to bleed out. I believe. That's my personal opinion based on what I see on these charts. But that's what we're watching today. We still have lots of our earlier plays, the RxDX and the AMAM is still on our list. We're still watching those. They AMA has been a profit a time or two. You could have taken it and got out. RxDX is holding up a little stronger than we expected. It's a it's just a waiting game now until we can find that point to where holders go, hey, I'm missing opportunity on other things. I need to get out of holding this biofarm that's doing nothing. So thanks a lot, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.